Okay, so I'm going to explain the difference between hydrophilic and hydrophobic. So first I'm going to start with hydrophilic, and that is a substance that combines with water and can dissolve in water. So I'm going to do like a few examples. That would be salt, starch, like example like flour, sugar. So I brought some examples to kind of have a visual. So I have two. I'm going to do one for hydrophobic as well. But this is going to be the hydrophilic example, and then I have a tablespoon or spoon, it's kind of a lot, of it's all-purpose flour, and I'm going to kind of show you how it dissolves in the water. So it takes a while to kind of go in, but it dissolves in the water, and as you can see, it doesn't separate. And then if I kind of move it, it dissolves even more. And obviously this is used for like baking and all that sort of stuff. And then hydrophobic are substances that basically repel water. It doesn't dissolve, obviously, it doesn't combine with water. The examples of those are most commonly oil. Oil definitely does not combine with water. An example would be olive oil. Obviously, everyone uses oil usually when cooking. And then we do a lot of experiments as kids where you put oil and water and separate. That's how you make lava lamps. So, kind of show you an example. So you can see it's clear. And if you put it in, just spilled all over my computer. If you put it in, obviously you can see it's creating little bubbles of that oil because it doesn't want to combine with the water, which is super cool actually. But yeah, so that's obviously not combining. Put them back to back. This isn't separating, this is. Even if we let this sit for like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, even longer, obviously it just still be like this. So if you shake this up, sometimes it'll kind of create that delusion, but so that's the difference. In summary, hydrophilic substances will hydrophilic substances will combine with water and dissolve in water, and hydrophobic substances will repel water and just refuse to kind of combine with them. So again, those examples would be right here I have all-purpose flour, but any type of starch, any type of like salt, sugar, and of course the most common one for a hydrophobic substance would be oil, because everyone has oil. That's the easiest one to kind of show people. Yeah.